Hello YouTube! We are going to look at secret opening box puzzle number 2. I love these box puzzles, and this one here looks exceptionally sharp with the two-tone. I'm excited to open it up and take a look. Difficulty level 6 shouldn't be that hard for us to get into it, and it actually shows us on the back how to solve it, or what the solution looks like, but not how to solve it. So let's get into it. So here it is, Secret Opening Box Puzzle 2. I can feel that this moves right off the bat. Sorry. There we go. So that's going to be the first step. I wonder if this is similar to that other box puzzle. If so, there'd be like a pin or something there. I'm not seeing it. But I like how this is angled. See that? I wonder if you can see that. It's not straight up and down, so it actually locks in place a little bit. Kind of see that? It takes a little bit to open that first piece up. I am going to work under the assumption that this slides this direction and that there's something stopping it from sliding that way. So I'm going to look over here. If it is a magnetic pin, I don't hear anything. Actually, there is something. Okay, so there is something that moves inside there. So it could be magnetic, but usually with magnetic you don't hear it shaking quite so easily. So I'm going to assume probably gravity fed. So there it came apart, came open after all that shaking. That doesn't mean we've solved how to do it, but we can open it. This is great. I like this puzzle. I like how sharp it looks with the two-tone. I mean, when you've got a puzzle, like 100 puzzles on your shelf, you want to have ones that look unique and fun. So let's take a look at this again and reset it. Oh, yeah. So it's probably a gravity puzzle where you flip it upside down and that opens it. That's exactly what it is. So I can't see inside of it. You can't see that, but it's definitely a gravity-fed puzzle. It's actually very similar to the solution for the Secret Opening Box 1. In fact, I think it's pretty much exactly the same, only this box is a little bigger. I did a solution video for that one a while ago, and it's got the two-tone, which makes it, in my opinion, just that much better. I like the look of it, and my Secret Opening Box Puzzle 1 actually met a tragic end, so I'm happy to have this one to fill its place. Don't worry, I'll take better care of you. I won't loan you to my daughter. Alright, anyway, that was the Secret Opening Box Puzzle 2. That was me solving it in real time. I didn't do a fast forward or anything. That was the first time that I had ever opened it. So that was fun. Alright, I hope that video was helpful for you and fun to watch. Have a wonderful day.